Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you win every time in Madden. To start, mastering your playbook is absolutely essential for consistent victories. You must also understand your players' unique abilities and adapt your strategy based on your opponent's style. Consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your execution and overall gameplay. On offense, effective run-pass options are key to keeping defenders off balance. Always look for mismatches, like a fast receiver on a slow linebacker, and exploit them with precision passing. Varying your play calls, perhaps using a deep pass after several runs, prevents your opponent from anticipating your next move. Protecting the football is paramount. Avoid risky throws. For a lockdown defense, consistent pressure on the quarterback is vital, aiming for at least 3 sacks per game. Mix up your zone and man coverage schemes to confuse receivers and cover passing lanes effectively. Stopping the run at the line of scrimmage, perhaps holding them to under 75 rushing yards, forces opponents into predictable passing situations. Focus on forcing turnovers. To gain an advanced winning edge, constantly study your opponent's tendencies. Notice if they favor specific plays on third down. Make crucial pre-snap adjustments like shifting your defensive line to counter their formations. Strategic clock management, using your 3 timeouts wisely, can secure close victories. Finally, maintaining composure, even when down by 10 points, is absolutely critical for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.